Well, guys, I'm at Village Tactical. I'm leaving Village Tactical. Uh, I did something. I think you guys know what it is. It's a DB, but but what kind of DB? Well, let's do an unboxing video and find out. All right, y'all. Guess what I got? Well, thanks to all of you guys supporting my channel, being members, super chats, donations, like, you guys are awesome. And it's thanks to you that I was able to get this. I've always wanted one, and now I got one. Let me show you what I got. It's a Diamondback DB10. Ba-ba-da-ba. I've always wanted an AR-10, and now I got one. And you know what? Let's make this thing complete. You know what I think would go awesome on this Diamondback? Let's go put the thermal on here. I'll post a discount code so you too can get a real expensive, nice thermal for way less than the competitors. Like, this thing can record, it can take pictures, it's got multiple different arrays of how it utilizes the thermal imaging, different color schemes, different just different everything, and like, it is the best thermal I have ever personally used. Like, it's awesome. So let's stick this thing on here. But first, I'm gonna need this thing for my eyeballs. That's nice. My eye relief. Where do I want this thing at? That right there. Okay. I know where I want it. Perfect. Oh yeah. I'm ready for hog hunting. I'm ready for moose. I'm ready for anything. 308 AR-10. Oh my gosh. Are you guys excited? I'm excited. And I got a collab coming up real soon where we're going to be shooting T8 target to showcasing their target systems. And T8 target, like, this is some high quality stuff from here. Like, this is the kind of target that will last you a lifetime, as long as you don't shoot anything crazy. And I'm pretty sure, like, it can even handle some of the crazy, but I wouldn't push it. Remember, nothing's completely indestructible. Everything has a breaking point. This just so happens that this one, it's kind of hard to reach that breaking point. And we'll also be utilizing some awesome spicy ammo from Emax Tactical. I'm just gonna say, Google Emax Tactical and see where that clicking rabbit hole leads you. You might like it. Also, let's see. I'll be using some weapon accessories on my shotgun, and on my over-under is the 1791 holsters and everything. They are great. I'll also have a link for them in the pinned comment. So yeah, check it out. Even if you're not wanting to buy anything right now, just check it out. I mean, I'll get you a discount, my own personal discount for one of these scopes. And they're nice scopes. Different price options, everything. At least just look at the options. Just take a gander at the goods. if they weren't worth looking at, I wouldn't be saying it. You know me. Like, yeah, I like something. I want you guys to know, hey, I like it. If I don't like it, I say, man, this is garbage. And so far, everything right here that I've talked about has been A-OK number one. So, alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Remember, always be packing, don't get caught lacking. I'm Bullseye Ben.